Hello everyone, this is Foxtecc, and today we're delving into a topic that many Apple users find invaluable: Airdrop. This exclusive file sharing feature seamlessly connects iPhones, iPads, and Macs, offering a wireless solution for quick and efficient file transfers within the Apple ecosystem. Now, for those unfamiliar, Airdrop uses a combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technologies to establish a direct connection between your Apple devices. It's a fantastic tool, but what if you've encountered a common hiccup, a slow AirDrop transfer? Let's unravel this mystery together. There could be several reasons why your AirDrop transfer is moving at a snail's pace. Firstly, consider the size of the file you're transferring. Large files, especially videos or hefty documents, inherently take time, regardless of the transfer method. Keeping your devices close during the transfer can prevent timeouts and speed up the process. Now let's explore some troubleshooting tips. If small files are taking longer than usual, try canceling the initial AirDrop attempt. Click on the Share button, select AirDrop, and give it another go. Sometimes a simple retry can work wonders. Another step involves restarting your iPhone. Give it a quick restart by holding down the necessary buttons. After the reboot, try resending the file through AirDrop. If the issue persists, consider updating your iPhone's software. Head over to Settings, click on General, and select Software Update. Updates often bring improvements, and they might just fix your AirDrop woes. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech insights. And hey, speaking of learning, don't miss out on the Foxtecc educational platform I've created. It's free. The link is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Your support means the world. Until next time, this is Foxtecc signing off. Peace.